Over the past 25 years, I've spoken to so many different audiences around the world, but one thing they all had in common is the desire to become better. Every movie you've seen with a hero includes a guide that comes alongside the hero to help them overcome their obstacles and achieve their goal. Nothing improves until something changes. Confidence is the output. Courage is the input. And courage is a choice. Your audience deserves much more from you. They deserve authenticity. There was a time I thought I was destined to be the speaker on the stage, but later in my career, after coaching thousands of speakers and presenters, I discovered something about myself. I find my greatest joy in helping others succeed with their presentations. It's more than just a job to me, it's my calling.